Let's fill out the Florida Dirt Bike Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the dirt bike and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dirt bike, the make and model, the year, and the color. Then the VIN. Type the VIN exactly as it appears on the title or the dirt bike. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the odometer reading. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you're buying or selling a dirt bike in Florida, and you want to make sure your bill of sale is done right. Let's walk through what the state requires. First, the seller needs to provide the original Florida title, properly completed. The title must also be filled out to transfer ownership to the buyer. So make sure that section is fully done before anyone walks away. Each applicant needs to sign the application for the certificate of title. So both the buyer and the seller will be putting pen to paper here. You'll also need to include a federal odometer statement. That's a federal requirement that applies here as well. If there's a lien on the bike, you'll need to include the applicable lien holder information. So have that ready if it applies to your situation. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.